Morning.
Are you watching me sleep?
Maybe.
Or are you some kind of weirdo who watches women sleep?
Maybe.
You're watching me sleep again?
You're cute when you sleep. What can I say?
Yeah, but don't you sleep? Why are you always up before the alarm?
I'm a light sleeper. It's no big deal.
So something woke you up?
It's no big deal. It's just that you snore a little.
What? I do not.
Yes, you do. I love it. I find it charming that such a big noise can come from such a little person.
Do you know what's not charming?
What?
Your morning breath.
Sorry. What?
I'm just saying, seeing how you're always up before me, you might consider brushing your teeth.
Okay, this is me brushing my teeth.
Thank you. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Where is George?
You slept the night at the hospital.
And you slept in his bed? Mm-hmm. All night?
No. After you fell asleep.
So you're telling me that my snoring is so bad. How did you deal with it for all those nights before I found out about your wife?
He usually sleeps on the couch, sets an alarm, gets back in bed before you wake up.
Yeah, didn't want to hurt your feelings.
Oh, I'm gonna do more than hurt your feelings.
Stop it. I'm gonna hurt your feelings, Oh, just shut it off, please.
Could you not snap at me?
I didn't sleep much.
Maybe it's because you were too busy shoving me every 5 minutes.
I wasn't shoving you, I was nudging you to something very loud, sawing of wood.
I wore the nose strip.
Oh, that's cute, but it doesn't work.
Ow.
What?
You need to shave.
There's a surgery, you know. It's a minor laser thing. It's supposed to really help. We could look into it.
Sure, and while we're at it, let's look at halitosis cures for you. Not to mention stubble cures, because it's now become physically impossible for me to kiss your face.
I am too tired to shave.
When there's nobody left in your heart, left in your head. When the whole world is packed up in shadows and left you for dead. Turn to looking so hungry and bare, and you were the one that brought them there, and all you can do is just stare at your head.
You suck at snoring.